Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for other open source applications. Okay guys, good day. I'm back again. So for today's tutorial, we will do a cont bridge installation and setup for your BG dial. Okay, so we will configure it on BCBox 11. Okay, because BCBox 11 is already asterisk 16. Okay, so comp bridge it will work only on asterisk version 16 above. Okay, so if you are plan to use it so much better, you need to upgrade your asterisk version to 16 or 18. Okay, so for today video, so that what is all about for comp dial comp bridge settings. So comp bridge is to remove the bloop sound or the choke sounds once the customer answered or pick up the line. It will hear the bloop or choke when, so that some cases that also some issue that clients already know that this caller is something scam, like a scam. This is a scam call like that or like that. Okay, so that we will BG dial owner implement this one, or they do this kind of settings to better answer the calls and better productions also for call centers. Okay, so today I will show you on how to configure it on the BCBox version 11. Okay, so how to get the Combridge documentation. So you need to go to bgdial.org/docs and look for the Combridge documentation text. So this is one. Okay, so BGDial Combridge support just will be started June 20, 2022, and I've already updated October 26. BGDial Combridge support is currently in beta mode and is not recommended for systems that require stable and test code base. Okay, BGDial Combridge support requires asterisk 16 or higher to be installed on your dialer. Okay, so testing was done BCBox 10, optional asterisk 16 package available through BCBox 10. Beta support for Combridge include for SBN trunk code base revision 3624. Okay, so this all the settings we need to do. Okay, first we need to modify the dial plan. So this one is dial plan. This is the path for the dial plan extension config. Okay, so you need to go to your footy again. Okay, let me reconnect my footy and then you need to use your favorite editor. For me, I'm using Nano, or you can use VI, Vim, etc. etc. My favorite editor is Nano. Just paste the code, the path for the we need to edit and press enter. Okay, from here, so this is the general, globals, the trunk inbound, loop back, and you need to go to the default. So under the default, you need to face here the Combridge dial plan. Okay, Combridge dial plan. So use Control V to scroll it down. So you need to go upward. Okay, from here, let me double check. So this one is okay. So okay, from here you can paste the Combridge dial plan. Okay, this one I can copy all this one. You can copy. Oops. Okay, copy. All right. Okay, so reader. Yeah. Right click, copy. Go back to putty. Right click, should be paste. So from here we need to okay, so this will be a little bit clean look. Okay, so just fix It will work even they have one space, but I don't want to. It's not look clean, so much better to remove the space. Okay, oops. Remove the space every code. Okay, the same with the existing code on the dial plan. Alright, okay. Alright. Alright, so this is the looks right now without a space on the start. Okay, control O and then enter to save, control X to exit. Okay, and then we go into next. Okay, should be okay. Preference key, Cambridge configuration you need to add. So in the dial plan asterisk converge.com, add this one. So we need to add this one at the below. So nano again. Okay, then control V so that it will scroll it down, and then copy this one, copy, go back to putty, then paste, control O, enter, control X. Okay, and then to the bottom of the line, create. So we need to create again this one. Okay, so okay, enter, and then go back. So you need to copy again this following. Okay, oops, only here. Okay, go back and paste. So once again we need to I need to remove the following space so that it should look clean, and okay, so as you can see, if I did not remove, the config is not work. So you need to careful about these settings. Okay, so you need to remove the extra space, okay, from the config or from the settings every, okay, so that it can be readable by asterisk application when we update it. Okay, alright, this looks good. Okay, as you can see, so be careful when you're deleting the space. Sometimes you delete extra, so just be careful on here. Okay, okay, so it's look good. Control O, enter, exit. Alright, and then you need to go to manager.com again, copy here, the nano again. Okay, so control V to scroll it down. So from here you need to paste again the new code, this one. Okay, So don't forget to remove the